आई थी, कहाँ चली गई? All right. Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you, and thank you for joining in. Today we are on chapter number 15, which talks about changing your emotions by changing your behavior from this amazing book, Master Your Emotions. Changing your emotions by changing your behavior. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read together. Actions seem to follow feelings, but really, action and feelings go together. And by regulating the action, which is under the more direct control of the will, we can indirectly regulate the feelings, which is not. We have seen you can influence your emotions by using your body, mind, and words. We have also discussed how you can change your interpretations of thoughts or events to change your emotional state. Unfortunately, when negative emotions suddenly arise and are too strong, changing your body posture or using positive affirmations might not be enough. In fact, trying to replace a negative emotion by a more positive one often fails. You cannot always overcome depression by cheering up or counteract grief by deciding to just feel good. Neither can you expect profound sadness to disappear by repeating the phrases and mantras, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. Isn't that true? जब हम एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल टर्मोइल में चले जाते हैं तो इट इज नॉट इजी फॉर अस टू ऑल ऑफ अ सडन शिफ्ट द इमोशन. However, you can influence the way you feel by changing your behavior. As you alter your behavior, your feelings will change accordingly. It may happen almost immediately, as when you distract yourself from mild anger by performing a task. Or it may take weeks or even months while you deal with profound emotions such as intense grief or depression. To start with, changing the way you feel, whenever you experience a negative emotion, ask yourself the following questions. What causes that emotion? This is a very deep question and this is a very profound question as well. Because we normally get into the emotion and we play around with the emotion and we just go by the emotion. We never pause and ask ourselves कि किस reason से क्या है ऐसा cause जिसकी वजह से that emotion has arisen. And the second question you need to ask is what can I do about my present reality? अभी जो present reality है उसके बारे में मैं क्या करूं? After asking these questions, identify concrete actions you could take to change the emotional state. Remember, by nature, emotions will fade as time passes. That is, unless you reinforce them by replaying the same situation over and over in your mind. So, if something wrong has happened to you and you keep on repeating, that emotion is going to stay. But अगर आप नेचुरल कोर्स में अपने काम करते रहो और अपने इधर उधर जो भी आपकी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस है फ्रॉम रादर देन गेटिंग इनटू दैट इमोशनल लूप अगेन एंड अगेन, यू विल सी दैट वॉट एवर इमोशन यू आर फीलिंग. सो एकदम से आप गुस्सा फील कर रहे हो एंड कोई आपके घर में गेस्ट आ जाता है, यू चेंज द टोन, यू चेंज योर बिहेवियर, यू चेंज योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड उनसे बात करना शुरू हो जाते हो एंड विद द टाइम दैट एंगर एक्चुअली goes. Below are some real world examples to help you better understand how it works. Example 1 says, if after your boyfriend or girlfriend broke up with you, you keep remembering the good times you had together with sadness, it will take longer to get over the breakup. Although there is nothing wrong with feeling sad or remembering the past, if you want to move on, a better option is to avoid revisiting the past whenever possible. In this case, changing your behavior would be do your best to stop revisiting your old memories. Example number 2 says, if you constantly worry about an upcoming presentation at work, changing your behavior might be rehearsing your speech for hours. Doing this, you will know the text so well, you will be able to perform well even under pressure. To give yourself an even better chance to succeed, you could also rehearse in front of your colleagues or friends. So there are so many times that हम लोग चिंता करते रहते हैं कोई प्रेजेंटेशन है मुझको शो अप करना है शो अप करना है शो अप करना है एंड यू आर लाइक हो माय गॉड वुडंट इट बी रादर बेटर कि आप उस इमोशन को बार बार जियो से बेटर होगा कि आप अपनी जो स्क्रिप्ट है आपको जो बोलना है वो 15 बार 10 बार 5 बार सम एटलीस्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू स्टार्ट रिहर्सिंग इट rather than just thinking हो कैसे होगा कैसे होगा कैसे होगा it's better that you start rehearsing it. Example number 3 is if you have been resenting a particular friend for weeks because of something he or she said, changing your behavior might be having an honest talk with him and share your feelings. This will allow you to clear the air, clarify any misunderstandings, and avoid building up resentment. Oftentimes, we misinterpret events and see things that aren't there. And example number 4 says, sometimes you feel sad, angry, or even depressed and can't do anything about it. In this instance, the best you can do is to avoid focusing on your feelings. Okay? And just let them be. Your job here is to do what you have to do and live your life until these emotions fade. Don't forget to practice letting go of negative emotions as they arise. As you learn to detach yourself from the negative emotions, it will help prevent them from growing and becoming more entrenched. I was just before I started this meeting, I was talking to my daughter and I was telling her the exact same thing. Ki, beta, if you keep on focusing on this certain emotion that you are feeling right now, it is going to get bigger, 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 and much bigger. And it is going to bother you for next 2 days, 3 days, maybe a week. How about shift your focus from this emotion to doing some kind of a gratitude, maybe doing some kind of, making a list of the wins of the day. Maybe you can sit and chant some mantra. Maybe you can visit Gurudwara. Maybe you can go out with your friends and have a little party. How you shift the focus matters. The action steps are using the workbook. Let's do an exercise using an example of your life. Remember the last time you experienced a negative emotion that lasted more than a couple of days. Now, think of what you did specifically to overcome this negative emotion, if anything you did. And then ask yourself, how could I have changed my behavior by influence of emotions positively? How could I have changed my behavior to influence my emotions positively? ऐसा मैंने behavior में क्या shift किया all of a sudden because of which emotions just passed by और जो negative था वो positive में shift हो गया. So many times we have talked about, how you need to change the story around it. Whatever emotion, whatever story you are telling about. Or else you can shift the focus entirely. कि भाई आपको इस चीज में इस टाइम पे ये हो रहा है, why not bring out a book and read it? Why not do some journaling? Why not, just go and do some gratitude exercise, do some meditation, do some mantra chanting? Maybe go to some other place. Maybe get out of the room where you're sitting physically and go to some other room, talk to somebody, chit chat, giggle, come back, you will be at a better space. That is it for today. And now we will be having a break tomorrow. That is the day of Holi. And we shall meet back on Monday, wherein we will be talking about changing your emotions by changing your environment. I'm looking forward to have you all in the session and explore what does that hold. We know that changing the environment actually does make sense because I have just talked about it. Ki, get up from that room, go to some other room, talk to some different people, and you will see your emotions getting regulated. I'm still interested in knowing What do you what holds, what kind of perspective do you hold for the same topic, and what does the author has to share with us? So on that note, take care of yourself, god bless you, and see you on Monday.